Let's talk about places that you should be looking for UGC partnerships as a creator. Even if you're an influencer, y'all, you could be pitching UGC brand deals, okay? So what I want to do in today's episode, if you're listening in on the podcast or if you're watching on YouTube, is where we can start looking for opportunities. Because here's the thing, y'all, you cannot just sit and wait. You need to be active participants in your business and you need to be looking for opportunities. It should be part of the muscle and the system that you are building so that day to day or week to week, you are out there. And what I like to say, kind of in that hunt phase, constantly finding brands, pitching them, following up, right? But the first piece of the pipeline is research and finding these opportunities. So I want to go over strategies that you guys can implement, whether you're an influencer or UGC creator, that you can start right away. So the first goes without saying, many of you are probably already doing this, but I think it's worth noting, are these platforms. Now, some people are like, Nina, is it a waste of my time to join a third-party platform? Should I not? I go back and forth because literally yesterday, I just got an influencer tell me I got a UGC deal on Aspire. You know, I heard someone else say, I got a partnership on CrowdRiff. Another creator was like, I got a partnership on Popular Pays, right? So these third-party platforms, as like maybe annoying it is to sign up and like get yourself putting your profile, they have opportunities there, right? I don't know if you guys have seen on Backstage, they have a whole section for UGC jobs and UGC creators. I want to look at those type of opportunities. People that are saying we're looking for UGC creator and this, that, the other. Backstage is full of them, but Backstage isn't the only. There's so many different types of third-party platforms that I would not sleep on them. So I mentioned some already. And while some of them may have influencer campaigns, oftentimes you will also see UGC ones. Again, guys, also I just want to give you like control of your own business. Platforms are always changing. So you may watch this video and one of the ones that I listed is no longer there. Go ahead and just do a quick search, UGC creator platforms, you know, and trust me, they're all going to pop up what is running or what is trending or what, you know, which ones are having sponsored content. If they're sponsoring the content on Google, that means they want traffic to it. So I would just do a quick search and see what's out there. Now, the second place I would look, and I mean, I have to do it. I really have to do it. I'm not trying to be, you know, self-promoting here, but I have an entire Substack called The Paid Creator, and I post 3 opportunities a day. I post UGC opportunities. If I see a deal coming through the pipeline, if I see a launch. So let's just say a sunscreen company launches a new sunscreen. To me, when there's a launch, that is golden money for UGC creators because they could be pitching these launches to create content for these brands. You know, when there's a launch, there's budget. So the Paid Creator is a Substack that we have here at Sidewalker. There is a free version, so you will get 1 opportunity a day. And if you are a paid subscriber, whether it's monthly or you pay for the yearly plan, you are going to be able to get 3 opportunities a day. And with the paid subscribers, we even give you guys the media contact and some pitch angles and ideas. So again, this is like a running bulletin board. This is alive and breathing and we are running this. So again, go ahead and check out the Paid Creator, our Substack. It is dedicated to getting you opportunities in your inbox every day so that you can pitch them. Also, an underrated place for UGC jobs is in LinkedIn. Like you could literally go to LinkedIn, type in UGC creator and see what pops up. Look up different keywords, get creative. Look up the keyword content creator, look up the keyword UGC TikTok creator, ask ChatGPT to make a list of different keywords that you can search if you feel like you can't think of them yourself. You could literally put like short form video editor. You can put any keyword right in there. And then LinkedIn is going to allow you to filter these. You know, you can filter different opportunities. It can help you find different jobs. I mean, that's the whole point of LinkedIn. In addition to LinkedIn, you can do the same strategy over on Google. Go ahead and go into Google and type in UGC creator jobs. See what pops up, see what shows up in your city, in your hometown, maybe somewhere that's close by, or you could put in the keyword remote and find remote opportunities, right? So you can just go ahead and just start searching, right? You're going to see a bunch of them listed. This requires you to do that active piece of the search. Our Substack, our newsletter, what we do is we send these opportunities to you. So you're not like having to be active in the search. However, I still want you to learn how to be active and search these opportunities on LinkedIn and on Google. Now, there's creators that tell me that they've submitted for Upwork jobs. They'll go on sites like Upwork and create a profile. They'll go on sites like Fiverr and create a profile. I have no problem with that. Again, any sort of space or platform that's going to allow you to put yourself out there and get paid opportunities works for me. I will state in full transparency, and you can watch any video here on my page. I've been around for a long time. There is going to be a difference difference in the caliber of opportunities you get if you direct pitch a brand or if you go on a Fiverr or an Upwork. There just is. If you go to that sunscreen company directly and you write them a valuable, solid pitch, you include a solid UGC portfolio that shows examples of your work. Maybe it includes a case study from a past client. Whatever the case may be, that to me is always going to land you a higher partnership than, websites that you are like looking for opportunities, because then they're I just find that tends to be a little bit cheaper when it comes to bigger bang for your buck. So if you're looking to make the biggest impact financially, I would focus on the outbound pitch, going for it yourself. Now, if you have a portfolio, you're good to go. This is your resume. You need it. If you're listening in and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have a portfolio, I can't stress this enough, without a solid UGC portfolio, you will find yourself getting stuck. You need that resume to go out there and get those opportunities. Now, here at Sidewalker, we can support you in two ways. We can either design that portfolio for you. If you want our design team to do that, go ahead and submit an inquiry below. This is where our team builds that portfolio for you. And if you're a creator that is more DIY, if I showed you a portfolio, you'd be able to replicate it, build it on yourself, you're just a visual learner, then you may benefit from our Pitching to Brands Master Course. I actually have a secret code for you, $500 off. I will include it below. Just use the code and you'll get $500 off our entire pitching program. And we have a really deep section on all UGC portfolios. So that is going to help you. Now, if you want to work with brands as a UGC creator, you should probably sign up to their newsletters. You can even create your own email account if that's easier for you, and sign up to newsletters of brands. But you're not signing up, guys, as a consumer. You're signing up as a marketer. You're thinking, oh, they just sent a newsletter on this. Maybe they need UGC on that. Or maybe they're launching this new thing. Maybe they need UGC for that. So sign up with the intention of being kind of snoopy and seeing what is happening on this brand behind the table. Also, you could set up certain Google alerts for your brands that you want to work with. You just head over to Google and go to Google Alerts and type in certain keywords that you want in your inbox. It will give you a roundup of all different types of news articles. Again, these are ways so that you can have your finger on the pulse and find out what is happening. Now, the best way to find out about these type of opportunities, you guys, are through word of mouth. So let's deconstruct this a little bit. PR people are going to be super helpful for you. They're the gatekeepers. They know of these opportunities. And that's how we get a lot of our opportunities on our Substacks, because I have these relationships with PR people. So they're going to feed me opportunities and I'm going to feed them to you. If you guys build those relationships on your own, even better. No PR people in your city, get in with them. They are going to let you know, ask to be put on their list, ask to be put on different, UGC opportunity lists. You need to network and connect with PR agencies. And then also word of mouth referral and introductions. At Sidewalker Daily, we have a community of creators. A lot of you listening are probably part of my inner circle community. I love you guys. Inner Circle is amazing because we're all in there. There's all types of creators and you can ask people for referrals and intros. Oh, I saw you did UGC for this brand. Do you mind introing me? People are happy to share when I feel like they're getting something in return, right? So it has to go both ways, but find yourself a creator community, make friends with people. Stop trying to do this alone. Your network is your net worth. You want to be around people who can lift you, and bring you opportunities and say your name in a room when you're not there. Do you know how many times I have heard of a creator tell me, oh, I can't take this job, I'm traveling, or my kid, or this, that, the other, but they refer someone else that they know that's a friend? So you got to make friends in this industry, professional friends. They don't have to be your best friend, but professional friends. You guys can refer each other business. So if you're serious about getting paid work as a UGC creator, as we can tell in today's video, you're not going to rely just on one place, right? You're going to do all the things. You're going to go on all the places because it's part of your business is the research and building out your list. And we're looking to pitch y'all anywhere from 10 to 20 brands a week. We're looking at 40 brands a month, maybe sometimes 20 brands if we're on a light month, or, ideally even 80 brands a month. I know that sounds crazy and scary, but when you have systems in place, you have your portfolio ready, it's just a question of building out your list and getting the emails, pitching those people, or joining different job boards and looking for these opportunities like we shared how to do earlier. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below and I will see you guys in the next one.